In this lesson, we will cover the Azure app permission with the graph permission. So we go to Azure, Azure Active Directory, app registrations, new registration, custom connector, graph API 1, because I have already used one of them. Select web here and redirect URL https:// www.postman.com/OAuth to callback. Callback. Register API 1. API permissions. Then click Microsoft Graph and you can see the permissions. User authentication. User authentication method. Check user authentication method. Read write all. Update permissions. Click grant admin consent for ATC. Click yes. Click certificates and secrets. New client secret. Custom connector. Six months, that's okay. This value we need to copy it in a notepad. This will not be available. This is the client secret. This will be the value. Got it? Now, we will go to overview and take the client ID. Application or the client ID. Then we take the tenant ID. This is the tenant ID or the directory ID. We will need these. These are useful. We store them so we can use it when we create our connection for Postman. So far we have created the app registration. We have assigned it permissions. We got the client secret, application ID, the client ID, and the tenant ID. And in the next lesson, we will see how to use Postman with OAuth 2 to connect to this Graph API 1.